So, if you're ready to turn your dreams into a tangible roadmap, then you're in for a treat because in the next few minutes, I'm unveiling the secret sauce to peak productivity and performance. So, forget the overwhelm because we're breaking it down into actionable steps today. We're turning dreams into doable reality. Hey there, all you entrepreneurial champs out there. Welcome back to Hustle and Heartbeat. I'm your host, Isai Rodriguez, and this is where I share actionable tips to help you move your business forward by 1 inch each and every single day. So if you're ready to turn your business dreams into a visual masterpiece, then hit that subscribe button, grab your creative hat, and let's get started, all right? And by the way, all these hacks that I'm sharing with you, I personally use these daily in my own business, and it's basically what's helped me take my side hustle and make it my main gig. And so I'm putting together a free training for anyone who's interested in seeing these exact steps in action for themselves. So follow the link in my bio or down in the description of this video, and you'll be one of the first to have access to the to experience that firsthand once it's available. And in the meantime, we're gonna get right into the gold for this episode. So, all right, today we're diving into a topic that's close to my heart. I struggled with this personally for the longest time, really, and mostly because I just didn't understand it, right? But once I was able to wrap my head around it, everything changed. It was literally like magic. I'm talking about setting goals that not only fuel your ambition, but also keep you in the flow of things, right? So setting goals it's not just about checking boxes, right? This is what I personally originally thought, but you put together a to-do list and then you do the stuff on that list, and check it off. And, to an extent that is correct, but at its core, this mindset is flawed, if that makes sense. It's just not right. It'll lead you down the wrong path. You see, there's a little something missing with this simple logic. It's more than just checking off things from your to-do list. It's about creating a roadmap of your dreams, right? And so today we're going to explore how changing your mindset from a to-do list mentality, changing it from that to focusing more on purposeful goals. And this can be your guiding star, if you will. They can keep you on track and in the zone, if you will. They can help you remain centered and focused on your ultimate goal. Am I right? So first things first, let's talk about the power of purpose, right? So your goals, they shouldn't be just any goals, right? They should be your why. That's how deep they should go. Your whole reasoning or your whole reason for existing, right? As a business anyway. That's what your goals should be. When you infuse purpose into your goals, you'll give yourself the fuel that you need to keep yourself going, right? So for those inevitable times when the going gets tough, right, that we all encounter, you'll be able to dig in deep and pull through when you have that purposeful infused into your goals, right? It's like having your own personal cheerleader, if you will, cheering you on every step of the way. And actually drop a comment below and let me know one goal that you're currently working towards right now. What goal is keeping you up at night right now? So for me, I'm looking to fill my pipeline, as they call it, with people who are hungry, right? To take people that are ready to take their yearly income and make it their monthly income. You know what I mean? Like, that's my ultimate goal. I'm looking to help as many people as possible, one hungry person at a time. And so I'm personally working on a new affiliate sales funnel that's going to help me make that happen. So on those late nights, right, when I know that I have to put in a little bit more work to move this forward, I take that, I step back, take that deep breath, and I say to myself, like, I need to get this done in order for me to help as many people as and reach their dreams as I want, right? That's what has me going right now. So drop a comment. What are you working towards? Like, if you don't have a goal yet, that's cool. Let's come up with one together, right? Let's create a space down here of inspiration where we can cheer each other on and share the journey, if you will, right? But yeah, that being said, let's talk about breaking down your goals, right? Now, what I mean by this, I'm talking, big dreams. We all have big dreams, right? And can we all agree that they can be overwhelming? Big dreams can be overwhelming. Am I right? Can we all agree with that? And the way around this is to break them down into smaller, more manageable bites, right? There's some sort of magic that happens when you break down those big goals into bite-sized, actionable steps, right? It's like turning a mountain, right? You have this mountain of a problem or task, and you break it down into a series of manageable hills. Suddenly that big dream of yours doesn't seem all that, far off, right? It doesn't feel so far-fetched now, does it? So break down your goals so that you can easily digest each step one at a time, right? Now, have you ever heard of the Goldilocks principle? It's all about finding that just right balance, right? That zone, if you will, where it's not too much and not too little, right? This is how you want to set up your goals. When you're breaking things down into manageable tasks, you want to set goals that challenge you, right? But that are still attainable. So when you do it, so let's see when you do it this way, when you approach it with this mentality, you create the perfect recipe for your tasks to flow naturally, to flow smoothly, right? Again, it's like the Goldilocks, finding that perfect bowl of porridge, right? It's not too hot, it's not too cold, it's somewhere in the middle, right? It's just right. That's what you're aiming for with your tasks, right? Break them down and arrange them in a way that's just right for you, to the point where you're making good progress towards your goal, but you're not, you're making that progress, but you're not overwhelmed, right? That's where you want to find that balance, where you're not overwhelmed with your tasks and your decisions and whatnot. And then once you find that zone and you start making progress and you start, collecting those, start hitting those milestones, celebrate that. Celebrate those small wins. It's super, super important to celebrate the small milestones along the way. Like, don't wait until you cross the finish line, right? Like, don't wait to finish the race or be almost there or halfway through, that's the at that point, that's like the proverbial popping of the bottle moment, right? That's your grand celebration. That's when you go all out, right? But that's not what we're talking about here. What we're referring to here is acknowledging and savoring, right? Each step that you take forward, each positive step that takes you towards your goal. Celebrate it, right? Did you set a goal of talking to 10 new potential customers this week? Maybe, if that was your goal and you hit it, celebrate that, right? How about, did you set a small goal to start conversations with, I don't know, 100 new potential business partners. If that was your goal and you crushed it, then celebrate that, right? These small wins, like reward yourself with I don't know, Starbucks latte or something small, because here's the thing. When you celebrating these achievements, it keeps the positive vibes glowing within your business, within yourself. If anything, it keeps that momentum building and building and building, until you're riding a huge wave of energy in your business, right? And then once you get there, it's just a matter of pushing a little bit each day, right? Just to kind of keep that momentum going. Does that make sense? Right? So there you have it, my homepreneurs. That's a wrap for today's lesson. The secret to peak productivity and performance within your business is changing your mindset around goal setting. It's all about setting purposeful goals, small, bite-sized, manageable, right? This is yet another key that opens up the door to freedom. It opens up the door for you to escape your own personal rat race. It allows you to live life on your own terms and build success in your business and your personal life. So if you found value in today's video, hit the thumbs up, share this with your fellow hustlers, and drop me a comment below to let me know your thoughts on today's lesson. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more tips on navigating this exciting world of entrepreneurship, and follow the link in the description to discover the exact steps that to turn your side hustle into your main gig. And until the next time, keep believing in yourself, keep setting those purposeful goals, and as always, stay legendary, my friends. With that said, I'll catch you on the next video. Take care now. Bye.